It's definitely a lot more enjoyable holding the camera and watching you do all the work. Extremely cold and wet this morning. Me and Charlie's got another job here. What the hell's wrong with you today, Charlie?
Some asshole kept pouring alcohol down my throat last night.
Unbelievable. Damn drunk. Gonna attempt to get the old the Hemi here crunk up. Just kidding. Get Dodge crunk up. It's a Ram. Got the big goat on it. She is a turd. Well, we need this thing some new spark plugs, carburetor. Yeah. Might end up just pushing it around, you know, just get another truck to pull our welding truck where it needs to go. Pop this, because I know the battery's dead. And then we still gotta clean this shit up. All right. See if this unit's gonna do anything. What's your bet? You think it's gonna crank or think we're gonna be pulling this thing to where we gotta go?
Probably pull.
That's kind of what I'm thinking too. Let's see. Let's see. This truck used to be a, what you need?
Give me that can. Not that one.
Jesus. My bad. Thought you was wanting the tobacco. Oh my God.
Got coffee.
I did. Are they revving theirs up at ours right now?
Yeah.
Oh hell no. Come on, you piece. We can do this. Come on now, move that unit. We got a cotton picking log laying in the middle of the road. What the hell is wrong with these people? We're lowering a belt today. A belt that goes from my deck back to my resaw for slabs that need to, you know, get that roundage off of them. It's just so high right now that when the boards come off, they're falling straight down. It's causing a lot of hell, so we're gonna lower the belt. Show y'all what we're working on here. Got Feel the Thrill. I'm honestly surprised we didn't have to pull it.
Yeah, but this is a good place for it in case it don't start.
We can just leave it here. That's right. And we got a straight shot out if we do gotta pull it. Alright. So this is our line bar resaw. Got our head me and Norman working on that. Got the head guys over there, Donald and Eric. Got this belt. Goes all the way back to my man Donald's spot. They get a slab, you know, it needs to come back to resalt on this belt. So I'll go all the way down. Come off right here and land on this deck. The problem is this thing is way too high. So we're gonna lower it on down. That when my boards come off, it'll just hit these pieces of flat plate that's angled up, level on out, and give my line bar resaw man where he can reach them. Right now they're just shooting them all kind of crazy. So you see how long this belt is.
On what? The truck, well, the belt. We shouldn't have, if we have to cut it. I think we should cut it far enough back that it should just start on now.
I figured you'd had this thing hooked up already.
I got two old. That's what you get my figure.
Jeez, everybody's so emotional. It's Friday, you should be happy. What's that thing doing? Hey, sawmilling's a lot like racing. You go racing, you come home after racing all week and you work on your race car and you make it faster. Same thing with sawmilling. You get done sawing 1 week. Whenever you shut down, you best be working on that sap sucker to make your sawmill run faster and smoother. Ain't that right, Charlie? Theoretically, once we put pressure on this, that should fall out of our way and we should be able to lower down. Norman over there working on our line bar. Hell of a maintenance man. Very good craftsman. Alright, we're good. Oh shit. I'm glad we didn't take them more than 9 inches off. Oh yeah. Now when the slabs come off, instead of being way to hell up here and dropping down and catching that crap, a nice steady flow, hit this piece of sheet metal, go over the chain, and my resaw man sitting right. That went way too easy. Shift this whole thing over a little bit. It's pulling.
It's not going to quite line up though.
I'll be alright. Alright. We can scab some pieces over to it. Damn. We told Tommy we'd have this done at lunch. What's it, like 9 o'clock right now? So we're gonna have this done before lunch, and I'm gonna give him a nice can of Crow soup and tell him he's paying me for 10 hours because I did a 10-hour job in 3.5.
I don't want to go.
Bullshit, line sack of shit. Let's do it. See right here where we obviously cut too much off. Throw a piece of chain across, we'll weld it to the floor, which is a lot of framework under this, so it's sturdy. We'll weld to that. And I got a piece of flat bar I'll use to fill in that gap right here, and this job will be done. Everything's locked out, by the way, for those watching. Always safety first, lock your whole system out, make sure everybody's clearing out the way, because you do not want to hurt nobody. Realistically, nobody needs to get hurt at a job. Sad, happens every freaking day. But we try not to let that happen here. Why is no other sawmills running line bar resaw?
A lot of people run line bar resaw, they just really not a slab machine, and most of them bands are. They really
I mean a circle saw line bar.
Well, they ain't made them in a long time. And, pretty hard to run. I have seen people run them, yeah.
Everybody else is up to date.
Well,
That's where they're going wrong,
I
Charlie.
don't know about that now. A band line bar resaw was invented by Frank McDonald in 1892, so I wouldn't, and this circle line bar wasn't invented, it was invented by J. Vance in about 1966, and so I would say this is a newer invention than the band line bar resaw. You need to know what you're talking about.
What gun won the West?
The Winchester 73.
Who invented it?
Winchester.
What year is this resaw?
Made 1967. That's the last one they made. J. Vance got sued. A canner killed a man. And,
Well, you got like one of the first ones made, don't you?
they didn't make me. I don't think they made the 780 circuit.
But you got one across the road that's older than this one.
Yeah. But now McDonald made a circle line bar for a while, and so did Mobart. They made Mobart till they make it.
And while we got you in a good mood, did we do a good job here or what?
That was a good job.
Now this is a 10-hour job, so that means we get to go home, right?
I could have done it in 30 minutes, but
We got his approval. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and God bless. Come on back.